guys, so today we're going to do these DIY denim sandals. Okay guys, so this is what we're going to make. Somebody asked me, could you make the ones without the back piece? So these ones, I actually cut the back off. So I'm going to show you guys kind of what the flip-flop look like. And guys, take a pair of old denim jeans you got, and I kind of just took these old denim jeans and kind of connected it in different places. So now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to create the ruffles. So I'm going to turn it around and show you guys. I'm going to create the ruffles on this, guys, okay? Alrighty. So I'm going to turn it this way, guys. Okay, so basically you take it and you fold this down like that, guys. And each time you get to the next ruffle, so I fold it down. I never get the best angle. I swear I need that ring light. Okay. So I fold it down like that, guys. Fold the next ruffle down. Gino, get out and shut up. Fold the next ruffle. The next ruffle. Fold the next ruffle. Fold the next ruffle. Fold the next ruffle. Fold the next ruffle, the next one. You're just going to keep folding. Guys can see. Fold the next ruffle. Fold the next ruffle. So right when you get up to it, you're just folding it and pressing it under the presser foot. Fold the next ruffle. And right here, we're going to just do it very little. Fold. Okay. So, put it back right here. Okay, so now that we got all of our pieces folded, we're going to take the flip-flop, guys, and we're going to drape it over and see where's our point of wrapping it around. So, we're going to drape it over like that, guys. So now we take the hot glue gun. And I don't know if you guys can see, I kind of got the bottom at a little point. I'm putting glue on this side, glue on that side, and then I'm putting glue on the tassel. So I'm going to take it, put it on here, and then wrap it and make these pieces stick together. And be careful not to burn yourself, because you will burn yourself. So I took that piece and surrounded it around the tongue and gave it a push. So I pushed that around the tongue of the flip-flop. So if you guys can see, I'm putting the first piece around the tongue and securing it. And don't make it too bulky, because remember your toe got to go through there. So after I do that, guys, and take it around the tongue, I'm going to flip it down. And I'm going to take the glue, and I'm going to put the glue all over. And be careful, guys, because like I said, you can burn yourself. Okay, so now that I got the glue all like that, guys, be careful. I'm going to take this part and flip it up. And then once I get it flipped up, I'm going to take it and start pressing it down. But be careful, because now what can happen, the glue will ooze out through the other side. So push, push, push. But be careful at the same time that you're not burning yourself, guys. So if you guys can see, I'm pushing, 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 push, push, push. So I just burnt myself by accident. So now this leftover, I'm going to take this part and cut it. Okay. So if you guys see, I got that part. So now what I'm going to do is take this part, the part at the top. And guys, I might have to stop it and do it in different chapters because the video be going in gigabytes and it takes up a lot of space on my phone. So now I'm just taking this part and putting it on this back piece because I'm going to roll that edge over. So roll that edge over so that it's not standing up. I'm rolling it over. Okay. So I just rolled that part over. So now guys, what we're going to do is this part from here going across. Got to be careful because the other side the glue is oozing out. So now guys, we're going to take this part and glue it from here to there. Okay. And you guys got to be real careful. So let me get all this glue situation. I'm going to come back. Okay, guys. So we're just going to keep securing it and gluing it down, guys. And then you guys can add your stones. And I'm going to show you guys the back piece that I'm going to cover. Take a script and cover that. And then the sides, I'm going to take scripts and cover that. So it's a real easy project. I would say the scariest thing is just working with the glue. So now, if you guys see, whoop, the hot glue gun just fell. So now if you guys see these pieces right here, I'm going to take a script and cover that up. I'm going to take a script and cover that up. And then I'm going to take the back, a script across the back and cover that up. And then the last thing will be put the stones on, guys. If you guys can see, it's a real simple, easy DIY, guys. So I'm just now going to cover up these pieces, and then your flip-flops will be ready. And then if you do it with the hot glue gun, you can wear them the same day. So and I'm just going to add the stones. And I'm not going to do the stones live because that's kind of, you know, optional. If you guys want to put the pearls on there, just put them where you want them. There's no correct or wrong way of doing that. There's not a correct or right or wrong way of doing that. So you just take this. And if you guys see, I'm just taking it around.